Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Kamera nami Josie, I'm still telling kilometers of real life. Ufuna isigaci nje senzeke empilweni yakho ungakhona ukusihlulisa. Ungakhona ukutshela the next person. Unga-inbox ku-TikTok zokuphi number la wena ungangisendela khona. Isitori sakho mina ngenza indlela yabona uzene indaba ngize ngapha ngizotshela abalaleli bethu. Nabalaleli bethu bakho i-advice ukuthi ungayenza kanjani moving forward. You guys kuyabanda. Shem. Watonya shem. Ngiphalela usisi awusjozi gikomathatheng elankize inkinga lezi ngizifakile mina ngikuthanda izinto ngokuphapha uthi awusjozi okay mina ngintombazane ayivela South Africa akaveli South Africa akaveli ngaphi country le laba shingi khona umshanele so ngizonibisi kanjani ukuthi uvela kuphi uvela kule country mabathi abagida benza so niyabaza ngisho ningibambi ngiyalazi nangibamba okay so sisi okay, so to say udine uthi awushoze mina ngikhulise umalumami. Ubaba wami wangiphika ngisesemncane so umama wami had to ukuthi angishiyeke eze ngapha azofuna umsebenzi wasebenza unfortunately umama wami ilabantu abashona lesasikhathi isangena endaweni baba ukuthi naye unfortunately uba victim ke yamojal fasting so me growing up ngikhulise umalumami and nongasimnandi kilobona ukuthi seke muthu singumzolo gago bongasimnandi I had to fight for myself I had to ukuthi ngiyazinakekela mina up until sengiba right ke of sengiyakhula ke singicitha matric and ngathi say you know what emakulebel mafulo amadala ku countering yabona ngabe singiza ngapha mangifika ngapha awushozi ngihlele kamu ngibatla umsebenzi obese ukuthi ngiyathola umsebenzi ngiyasebenza ke kakopana le abuti so to abuti so to Simon kakopana le Simon alena raratana I told Simon history yami ukuthi mina ngikhulise umalumami umama umushone because of what everything because of kenanore utloba lele rato utomfaka ufuthu wabona and I told myself ukuthi angifuna ufana nomamami ngihamba ngihopa from one relationship to the other ngizengizogcina like I was so very careful ngempilo yami and ama relationship engiba nawo okay I was choosing nasemondo kopane ube mnate ripereli sahlala to move in together ke ora ke amsebenzini Simon lena bekasebenza but Simon la bekasebenza khona bekasebenza kodwa imayini yabona Simon bekayenza imali mina bengisebenza badaba imali beyincane ora awushoze kebereke ile hor Simon waqala he uthi no nangifuna umntwana Simon bengana umntwana nami bengana umntwana at that age but bekusaba ngwane ke sanyadiwa kinthwekile ngizitshele yona ukuthi no what ngizoba nomntwana sengishadile angifuna ukuba nabantwana abangeke babe nabo baba yabona or samona nzabatla ngwana amatla ka pressure but na awushoze nekitso la rahola ka la ko clinic ngibalehlaba into bengisinceda ngayo uthi isikhathi sihambe so le angipray uSimon oba le pressure from kobona or babatlora bele ngwana because uyasebenza ke lokho so ura awushoze abatle ngwana navele ngizitshela ukuthi ngize ngimtshela ukuthi mina ngiyapreventa into ngizothula nawushoze uzegcineni ukuthi uSimon uyahamba uyopractice someone ngaphandle kwe relationship yethu uyajola aribe no abe pregnant or awushoze izinkinga zami zacala lapho ke now Simon very right bekangiphi Simon imali bekangithokomela ne right up until kuvela umntwana makuvela umntwana unfortunately awushoze ngwana anyarela athona le Simon exactly nengeke uchu ibhaji phela bekumntwana wakhe so makafana naye Simon like got so excited that jangwana misha kubone hayi Simon wajabula to an extent ukuthi manje the side chick sekayithatha as the main girlfriend nasechikino bamotho fela but also zimotone kinalena and some over to a bigger place we bought finisher nami bengicontributa ngeyami imali yabona or bisikhala lapho like neribulela taba jani nyalo and stuff up until kuvela umntwana after umntwana sekazaliwe awusjoze wathola ukuthi kunamalanga asalala endlini uNtombozo rigobona ngwana the following day makabe kusini how ubuya kubhekile ubona ngwana like a attitude ngibona ukuthi this person ngabotse sekafuna ukuhlala no baby mama uthi ngihlale naye one time ngimtshela ukuthi no one time if ubatlo nale mama ngwana how mina ungasafuna ukuhlala nami it's fine I accept because mina zange ngibe nomntwana nawo so rather go uyohlala nolentomazana le uthi Simon arina kerata wena ngifuna ukuthi mina ngibe nomntwana nawo kahle umuntu ongifuna umshada lentomazana le bengisijona naye unfortunately aba pregnant so asimuthe ngabatla ngospenda the rest of my life lihimutu wabona or okay ngihlaleke ku relationship or unfortunately within 2 months after sesikhulumile ukuthi ngifuna mina futhi ukuthi mina ngibe nomntwana ngiluza umsebenzi awushoze ura ke fela ke miracle ngimarketing umsebenzi ngawuthoni ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lona cause lento ukuthi ufuna umntwana userious ubatlangwana ngeke upreventa for me ukuthi ngibe nomntwana ilento ezongikhipha ukuthi ngihlale naye because of now ake sale selo ntongole ngwakengwana ngwana that or awusozi kubona ukuthi ube ku situation la uyaphusheka ukuthi wenze a stupid decision ezomosha impilo yakho yonke uthi that was me at that time because angisebenzi I left my country thinking ukuthi ngizokuthola impilo right okay bengisebenza but unfortunately umsebenzi uphelile so the person onemali wenza imali eningi endlini uyothi ufuna umntwana and of which I wasn't ready ukuthi ngaba nomntwana leso sikhathi but isimo bese ngiphusha ukuthi emakebeni ngwana or ke khona uthwara motho kangwana or asizikaxhela uprevent that ubradasi wabe so busy ke uphuzana nembiza nami ngiphuzisa imbiza ngaleso sikhathi sifuna umntwana together cause or Leonard once balongwana ngizokulobola also this guy knows my history knows my family knows ukuthi ngibuya kuphi situation yami or also mina no guys sebexaqala ke reprepare la kuba lengwana he uthi hayi within 2 months ngabe sengiyazala ke sengiba pregnant or sengiba pregnant ngiyakhetha ke kanjalo uthi awushozi angikhetha kanjalo kanti there's another girlfriend analengilona na ibe pregnant at the same time nami or awushozi umuntu uyemsebenzini senginabo ma 3 months umuntu usemsebenzini maka emsebenzini kuza this other lady endlini bekeza uyangibuza ukuthi Simon uKay ngithi Simon emsebenzini are umuntu kodwa answer the call utsaka usengazibuza call utsa how why or John I don't know the minute ngimtshela ukuthi ngipregnant umuntu akaza answer ama calls wami uthi umntwana mina ngimenze awushozi or nako ke pregnant angisebenzi and I'm pregnant excited thinking ukuthi lo muntu lo final uzongishada kilobona or awushonzi umuntu makabuya mina na isicabane ngimbuza ukuthi intombazane so uthi sengitshela ukuthi uyifonele naye nenamba yakhe buye semfonele uthi umuntu vele ahlanye oringi nake mphrekisise neng ngoba uthi umuntu vele aphike thina zangaphrekisele intombazane ngithi okay 34 simfonele ke uthi ngithatha ifoni yami ngifake ku speak ngithi nangu Simon khuluma uthi intombazane vele ngenelo Simon uzongiprekisa ungiyeke ungitshela ukuthi imfazi wakho akabi nabantwana ufuna uba nomntwana nami jikijik manje ngipreke uyangiyeka ngoba yena upregnant or I was so shocked ukuthi lo muntu lo namakana this girl second girlfriend ukhuluma ngami nake kena kokay ko girlfriend ngithi hayi ko relationship zakhe kena kokay or I was that day salwa ke mina no Simon uthi ngasalwa sazoshayana ngizwa uthi sashayana awusozi like I was so frustrated lo mfana lo uzodlala ngami uzohamba la nomunye umuntu ala nabantu without protection ukuthi sengigcine sengifana nomama uthi salwa awusozi ralwa to an extent ukuthi ngize ngiyalimala ke mina ke ku pregnancy yami masilwa kanjalo uthi umama waseXto vele kube uye vele ungena vele azosinamula vele asithithisa wenzani ngifuna ukulalana lana bebangazi abantu bebangazi by then ukuthi mina I'm pregnant wathola ukuthi vele sesilwa to an extent ukuthi vele ngiyacala vele immediately ngiyableeda wangithatha wangifaka emotweni vele wangisibedlela mangifika isibedlela kwaba ukuthi hayi umntwana bathi ushonile lost the pregnancy awushozi me losing the pregnancy bengisho ukuthi umuntu uzokhula down uzobona ukuthi wrong ashozi akabula case but ize bangibuza abo doctor ukuthi what really happened I had to lie because bengakuthi mangiyokhuluma ukuthi kwenzekeni bazothi bazobiza amaphoyisa bathi vuli case yabona azange ngisho ukuthi kwenzekeni ngivele ngathayi kunabanye abantu bebanzwa rapo so nale muntu wamvelo wafika vele warasha wangilethana nesibedlela I was just that's how I lost my child bang discharge I was just ngiyamfonela ukuthi bang discharge bengilande ubrother sazangaza zongilanda I heard ukuthi ngibele taxi after sebang discharge ngendlini angifike endlini umuntu akekho it shows ukuthi umuntu ozangalala nasendlini well I was just ngifike vele ngibuthe endlini ngikline ngigeze I was just igeze nekodikubu uthi umuntu uze around midnight endlini makafika kavula thawu kanti khona or I was choosing like ngizibuza ukuthi makathi kanti ngikhona bengizophuma esibedlela ngiyi because ngibuSouth Africa ke ngiceba yena ke nalena or I was choosing umuntu anga apologize askare kopela tshwarelo for everything ingiphuthe yona through angaxolisi umuntu ovela ngibheke angenisa ngubeni afulathele ayithobalele or I was choosing kwabanye la ngangibona khona ukuthi la into yami iphelile ayisekho I lost a child there is nothing ezongholda ukuthi ngibelana hayi uthi awushozi the following day ikuseni mangivuka vele uthi umuntu vele avuke vele ayengagezi nehulu weekend nasayimirko uthavuka kugeza kugeza lana awushoze ayitsamayele anshe anja ngisho njalo awushoze akisane chelete I'm depending on this person everything if awuthi ngiyenze ngicela kuyimali uthi awushoze ngiyambhaleli WhatsApp ukuthi uhamba so angishine imali ngicela ngiphi imali mina ngijike ngizele ekhaya because akena chelete hore ngikatsamaya wabona or awushoze umuntu angiblue tick angasho next uthi ayivele ngihlala endlini ngipheke awushoze thinking ngoroto bo asabuwa abuye the following day on Sunday makabuya Sunday ur awushoze umuntu uyavela uphuzile vele uthi angenelele angithethise angitshela ukuthi I'm useless akibereke takataka yabereka ngizofuna imali kuye yini mina uye wathi umzalo wamashone abulawe ke8 asiyena ke ngare mewa kabu like or awushoze umuntu wangethuka nga everything bengiconfide kuye thinking ukuthi partner yakhe or andruha and andruha so everyone like umakhren bayalalela because lo muntu udrunk andruha awushoze akena shelter or ngatsamaya I'm stranded uthi lelo langa imali benginayo mina bekuyi60 rands bekinale ngiyona awushoze ngitsa ukuthi you know what let me take a walk kulobana getswe more cause like this person do uyabuletsa ngilena akerade uthi vele uthi laba sihlala khona bongasisecteni like li complex uthi ngoke vele ngizele complex or like you know better stroll cause like I was so heartbroken bengafisi nokumbona ngimeyela ukuthi alale lotshwala buphume then ngizombona sengibuya ke or awushoze ngitsamaya or akele motseleng there is this guy who busy like umsala emuva ngemoto ubona so uyangikhulumisa hi ubona or awushoze ngitsamaya ake baxobuwa le muntu I don't want to talk to anybody at that point uthuvela ubrothers vele athi I know sisa ngeke ngivuma uhambe kushisa so elangeni ngezinyawo ngicela ugibele or awushoze athi ngicela ukuthi ugibele yabona ngicela ukuthi ugibele uthi vele ngembheki ngithi one look ngithi ufuna ukungitshontsha are ubwasisotho ngiyangitshontsha yabona so or awushoze ngiyacabanga ukuthi you know what ema ngigibele beside like ehwafisa uthi vele ngibele emotweni mangibele emotweni awushoze brothers asishoke mina igama lami sothubani Simon Nopiti sothupiti igama lami ngiyathanda shem ne ay uthi ay igama lami Nopiti ngivela kuphi umuntu azintroduce yabona hayi ngiyangichaza ke lekho kubona wabona the way vele abantu like mabashela abantu bashela ngakhona umuntu vele obe uthi uyangishela ke ora awushoze leso sikhathi amnam akethe ukuthi feel jwang or give abutodi number phone ngimupha ama number phone wami angitshela ukuthi angibuthi ngihlala nobani ngithi nongihlala nekhazini nami hiding the man ngihlala naye nongihlala nekhazini nami I can call you at any time na ngithi ungangifonela no problem or awushoze umuntu vele angidrope ke emall na beyangayi emall beyangayi ecomplex abengikhona angidrope khona ke mina ngihambe ke ngene ngaphakathi mangithi uhamba awushoze umuntu vele uyangifonela vele ngikhuluma ukuthi into bengikhuluma ngiserious like serious ke batla moto akena moto so please be honest mina unale moto na cause I don't think ukuthi into mzane efana nawo ayina moto obona uthi awushoze leso sikhathi ngifone call ngimtshela ukuthi no nginomuntu but I'm in a process ukuthi ngiyamyeka nginezinkinga eziningi kahle angidingi relationship I need someone engakhuluma naye a friend I can talk a relationship at this point ngizwe ngakhona ubuhlungu or awushoze that guy obengari umuntu ngumromance that guy was like no nami ngafuna ngathanda ukuba umngane wakho but now I wish ukuthi from friendship indaba yethu ngayaphambili or okay awushoze hayi isikhathi sihambe ke ngibuye ngimolo uthi mangibuya ngithola vele uguy vele uvukile makavukile vele ngikhulume naye ngimtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngiphe imali ngicela ukuyiphindele ekhaya emuva cause awusampatla angitreat kahle so ngitshela ukuthi ngizofa njengomama wami izinto ezinjalo so ngicela ukuthi ngiphe imali ngihambe ngiyacela uthi ngimncenge uguy was like awefelo utlolulamu wanyokotsamana angiro support akena moya ngo support akema or awushoze arrogantly so angitshele kanjalo ngibona ukuthi yabona lana angeke ngize ngihambe vele ngizohlala khosi ngizothini uthi ngaleso sikhala at that point uguy ngiyamxoxela ke ukuthi kwenzakala nempilweni yami uguy uthi izinto ezinjalo guy was like if you are dingi indawo uhlala you can move in now I don't have a problem or awushoze lo muntu lo sengimazi senginabo 4 days angitshela ukuthi I can move in naye ngimtshela ukuthi like now ufuna ukuthi usuze thatha izinkinga zami uzongithatha njengalona na guy was like no I'm not like that and mina I'm ready to have a partner benganamuntu for the longest time so now I'm ready ukuthi ngaba nomuntu so if one you want us to be friends it's fine but I can give you indawo ukuthi la ungacrasha khona until wena uthi ukhona uzimela ngezinyawo zakho hayi uthi akhulume kanjalo uthi uguy the following day makayemsebenzi ngicabanga ngithi you know what, this is my chance for me to leave this place. If this one ungiprovidela indawo, I can leave this place. Uthi ngi-WhatsApp ukuthi are you available na, ungakhona uzongilanda na. Guy was like no, angekho available, but ngesikhathi esiso ngizonakhona ukuthi ngisuke emsebenzini elunch ngizokulanda ngiyokudropa off. What I was choosing ngipheke izinto zami ngibhake ngalesikhathi athi ezozazi ngilanda ngimsendele location uguy kanedi vele atlatonlate ngilande sambe vele seka guy ukahlala i1 vele bangifika vele angikhomba ukuthi uzohlala lana mina let me crash back emsebenzini ngizokubona mangishayisa. Or awusuzayo vele ngifika guy ngibhaka izinto zami akulabona like imoto arukulawuli one like wachuka uluthi koso fongo gore shetshe fo emela mnyaka obulega uri bona uri kungena intombazana lokungena yona uthi ngingena yena na uthi ngihlale lapho until azashayisa anga unpackanga amabheke wami because like angisi comfortable lo muntu angimazi ngaleyo indlela kulobona uthi vele afike umuntu vele athi how usabe nje nami awaphokola libheke wasaphokola libheke sehawa bona angibuze uthi vele ngisabe ukumtshela ukuthi like angisi free lana kwakho angitshela uguy ukuthi you know what uzohlala la for isikhashanyana then uzothi mawuthola umsebenzi you can move out angikufostelela ukuthi uhlale la but like mina I'm offering you indawo ukuthi ungathola so to end up ezandleni zabantu abarong yabona. What else was I ngicale ke sibe lapho umuntu vela afike ubrothers azapheke vele sidle ayi kube mnati i2 bedroom house uthi ngihlala vele room ahlale uthi like sicale vele sibe bangana like friends without singakusakhuluma indaba zongijolo every time akabuye ethola ngiphekile ngiyawashwasha ngiwashela naye ngiyaclean endlini hayi kuba mnati. Or else was the way like namfa ufuthi ukatenge abuti ngagcina ukuthi nami sengike fall in love naye sengiba nama feelings wakhe. Or else was sagcina sesiba together. Masele together lo yana phela ngimblokile akusanana kwa high like I moved on ngempilo yami. Hayi mina no brothers sithandana. Or awushozi masana ngaso kubo ukuthi vele mina at the other hand ngiyamaketha vele ngiyamaketha ngiyuthola umsebenzi mangithola umsebenzi angicala vele ngisebenze accessible relationship ngicale ngisebenze izinto zibe right la ngisebenza khona thola ukuthi umsebenzi wakhona so right and imali yakhona like right vele ixaxa ikulobona uthi okay ubrothers vele athi him athi you know what, I don't want to waste your time na akinya kor kebe exa how mina ngifuna ukuthumela amandwendwe ekini ngibathomthetha amahadi kube ukuthi vele ngihamba ngiyangase kithi phela ngibatshela ukuthi kunabantu abazokhipha amahadi in izinto ezinjalo nindi abantu ngelangeliso yabona aba-inform. All else was into engimangazayo ngoguy Good Friday Christmas iyafitha abutayi high Christmas iyafitha abutayi high like ahlala sendlini ithi kanti wena awuleke awuhlangane nabasekini like kadi festive because mina festive ngiyahamba ngiyagibela ngiyahamba ngekhaya wena usala lana why yabona athi no it's complicated yabona to feel to a point lelanga lamahadi ke mhlala lamahadi mafika bangiphela amahadi awushozi mina nefamily yami nefamily yabo vele kuhlanganiwe vele kube mnandi kube celebration kube mnandi ke. What awushozi how mina I'm waiting for ukuthi uguy uzongithatha angisekiba ayongikhomba basekibo how umuntu akanyisekibo umuntu alayikibo wow ngiyambuza kanti wena guy why ungayekini kwenzakalani athi no it's complicated ngithe ukuthi you know what, now that I'm your family angisho mina nawo sesishadile so I need to know ukuthi kahle what's going on uthi uguy angibeke phansi athi mina noma mama siswana wena noma mama kanzwani nama siblings wami asizwani ngani ngazwani umama wami uyathakatha enothakatha nama siblings wami. Or I was like ibe into ukuthi iyangimangaza mina ngikhule nganamama so like yangimangaza ukuthi umzala ngathakatha kanjani umntwana ngithi hayi wena manje athi no ngiyaya nalanga yakhona bangithe ukuthi umama ungivalele izinto zami so ngithe mangistep away from ifamily yami izinto zami zavuleka so vele I believe ukuthi umama wami like uyangithakatha. Or I was like no baby, it's impossible I don't believe ukuthi umzala wakho akuzala angakuthakatha. Let's take a chance and go again uyongintroduce ke ebazalini bakho like ngazi ukuthi uzala ubani nama siblings wakho and then we'll take it from there. Or I pushed uguy ukuthi ahambe reconcile nomamakhe up until to extend ukuthi leyo la ngiyavuma ukuthi okay sizohamba sekhaya ke awusuze repakeli bheke rekuhabo bitere. Or masifika khabo bit vele sifike unexpected bebangakasilindelanga kilobona. Or hayi masifika Friday hayi vele sibulise vele abulise hayi vele ukuthi khabo artse baningi vele abangitsibisha ukuthi ayina ngumakotweni bengizonikhomba umakoti hayi sharp. Or tension vele bungayijuba ngesikere bekutense kulela khaya uthi hayi vele sihambe solala. The following day awushozi how ekseni kwavuka vele kuprepare amatiye vele ayisicaceda ugeza vele sahamba sophuza itiye masaphuza itiye vele ama-family members vele ayaza nga-1-1 hayi vele uyangitshela uthi no babe wena salana nendlini party ne-family meeting vele bayahlala ngaphandle emthini ngisale ngaphandle kuqale ukukhulunywa kahle awushozi uqale ukukhulunywa ayi ngizovela amavoice ayaphakama amavoice ayaphakama sengiyasondela phela nami yondweni ufuna ukuzokahle bakiwa kulobona uri awushozi ayi ubrothers vele athi asho kumama kathi avele wena wathakatha wena leya la ngubaba washona wena ngakuthola umjampa ujampa isidumbu sakababa uphethe umlilo kagaragam ngaphakathi kwendishi ujampa isidumbu sakababa usijampa before fonela everyone wena already boyenza izinto zakho zama-ritual ara ena sikokuqala ngikhumula kushona umntwana semakhelwana wena mama wena bosele ngepuna ugijima la ubiza ligama lomntwana kasemakho uri awushozi kodwa kutloletse abuti abolela gona le family ba ditse ko tlase ga setlha uri awushozi ngwabe se ka cwajana like that uthi brothers vele wa kendini wathi baby asambe uri awushozi ngaba so shocked athi ngithi baby asambe la bazongibulala sambe or awushozi like bengishocked ne bekile shocked bengicachazela ubrothers makhuluma lezi because brothers azange ngitshele mina ngefamily like azange vele like go into details ukuthi kwenzakala ngefamily or awushozi re kene golwe ngivele retsamaya asingafika ngekudeni ithale moto le bust ilokuthi makasikola phayana umama ka arkero utloithola utlobuwa mokhuname ka mangwe lo nkhuname utloithola or awushozi ithale le moto le bust awushozi my husband udriver imoto decent asimoto ukuthi ithali ngamane le bus just like that wabona or ithali bus mal bus vele abona mamaka bano ritomkhotla ari mkhotlile and manje uzolwa nami because ngiexpose izinto zakhe awushozi ulungiso ithaya vele sihambe uthi masihamba la nendleleni angitshela athi abona banongibhe the only thing is ukuthi sithembele kuyumthandazo because la umuntu ngomithe ngeke uzumkhona athi mina I've been struggling yonke le minyaka ngihlala negoli nginganamali ngawuthola umsebenzi apha nje nginceda umunye umama wangithandazela athi umama ungifasile that's the reason bengafuna ukuyithi wangifoster wena ngoba ngithanda bengamelanga ukuthi ngiye kulo yamuzi or awushozi aratsama yamotseleng like bekabalabala like bekablima mina the whole way asifika endlini awushozi kuba umuntu ukuthi vele mina naye sesiba like sesiyaxashanyana reba tension yabona ngimtshela ukuthi you know what ngiyaxolisa you didn't even disclose ukuthi kahle wena yini nibanga ini so now like uthatha isengathi it's my fault ukuthi ngicabene but mina I'm happy because of I know what's going on even if ungasayi egini ngama festive I will understand or awushozi hayi silaleke kube ukuthi umuntu understand asirobale the following day masivuka awushozi aru ebona nibiza in lezi nyoni ziphaphe ebusuku nezibiza in ngelanguage ngesizulu bezibiza in mamkhahanyani ngesipedi ngazi ngesizulini athi sithole ifili semnyango the following day sithole ifili semnyango or angitshela athi you know what sekideclare le imithi ngicela ukuthi singaphuma ngalomnyango because everything izoba mnyama ngalinyoni njengalinyoni or awushozi ngimtshela ukuthi hayi man baby na ungathi umsaba kakhulu mamakho inyoni athi ngithi le nyoni lena iphaphe ebusuku kuphela and why ifike la sitholela nephansi ekseni why and lezi nyoni azikho kulina about sihlala kiyo kuze njani ukuthi sibe khona namuhla or ngithi hayi man baby na ucabanga athi mina le nyoni angeke ngiyibambe I can't and angeke ngizophume ngalomnyango lo or awushozi kwamele ukuthi mina ke ngithathe ingcoka amaplastiki ngithathe ngifake iplastikini ngihambe ke ngifake edustbin or awushozi yabona ke from loso sikhathi izinto zethu zashabalala or awushozi I lost my job my husband walosa umsebenzi la sihlala khona ke intlo yabond esonzora ibhatele awushozi siku eviction as we speak akibereki izinto zethu zeminyama sisifunela umama athu uyamnceda lo mama samthuli or awushozi recipe tapelo mara we are in a point la sizoba khona sizoba homeless ayikho into ehlanganayo empilweni yethu awushozi because of mina I pushed my husband ukuthi abile kibo ayikho into ehlanganayo uthi there is this rehadwa high called him after azukuthi kwenzakaleni after a meeting uthi wamtshela ukuthi nabo they know ukuthi ubababo like urahadu sisika babakhe like they know ukuthi ubababo washona ngesandla semfene emhlabeni and bebazi ukuthi lo mama umbulele but they didn't want to tell him because of uyomfana and we first born so bebangafuna ukumheda so now bekazi uthi umamakhe uyenzeni. So kunalo makhe uzabahamba kuye, they want to yenza i-return to the mama. But brothers was like ake batle madi mo matsogong wa ka, a rather suffer until uNkulunkulu anthusha or asitshose angazi ukuthi singanceda ubani. Athi thina we are on the verge of losing our house, asisasebenzi, my husband imoto bayithethe, angisebenzi. I regret the day ngamphusha ka re batswadi re balahle, only to find out ukuthi umtswadi wakhe isikhohlakali somama. uNkulunkulu akukhiphe enhluphekeni ka first boyfriend, uziphindisele uzibusele inhlupheko, uzibusele wena enhluphekeni, ngoba thina we want to be Bob the Builder, we want to build everywhere la siyakhona. You should have left your husband ne-family yakhe like that, wakhontinue ba happy nomuntu wakho waphila impilo right. Now guy lost everything because of when you pushed, and kulalele ngoba kuthanda. Sure guys, tusanga awusisho or baluzandlo ayikho into basebenzelayo. The only thing manje bathembele kuyomthandazo because of abakhona ukuya kumakhosi because abanatshelede, and it's hard. Oh, qalalini mara abazali bathakatha so. Hi guys, bye bye guys.